So today we're making a mudslide cocktail. It's simple to make, it tastes great, and it's got plenty of alcohol in it. So we're going to start with this cocktail shaker here, and we're going to add plenty of ice to cool down this cocktail. I got my jigger here. It's 1.5 ounces on one side, 1 ounce on the other. And we're going to start off with some vodka here. Don't bust out the Grey Goose or the Kettle One for this. Just use any vodka you got, and we're going with 1 ounce. And the next ingredient is essential for any mudslide cocktail, and that's Bailey's Irish Cream. Love this stuff. We're going with 1.5 ounces of Bailey's Irish Cream for this mudslide cocktail. Fill that up right to the top. Add that to our cocktail shaker. And now we could add in our Kahlua, a coffee liqueur. We're going with 1.5 ounces as well, so we have equal parts Kahlua to Bailey's Irish Cream. And some recipes call for a little more vodka, but I really don't like the vodka to be an overpowering flavor in this mudslide cocktail, so 1 ounce is perfect for the vodka. So we'll add that 1.5 ounces of our Kahlua. And now we're going to add some whole milk. Going with 2 ounces of whole milk. I like to use this instead of heavy cream. The heavy cream is a little too heavy in my opinion, so the whole milk works well. And that's all the ingredients for this mudslide cocktail. So we'll leave all that in the cocktail shaker, put the lid on here, and we'll set that aside for just a second while we prepare our cocktail glass. We'll bring our glass over here, and I have some chocolate sauce here. This is my homemade chocolate sauce. I'll put a link at the top of the screen. You check out that video. It's really simple to make, and I added a touch of espresso powder to this chocolate sauce. Goes really well with this mudslide cocktail. It's a perfect consistency here, and it's just so simple to make. Check out that video. I'm just going to take the glass here, and we're just going to line the glass with our chocolate sauce. Add a little bit of sweetness, makes the cocktail look nice. Touch more. That looks like a good amount. And now that our cocktail glass is ready, we could shake up our mudslide ingredients here in our cocktail shaker. Give that a good shake. And now we'll just strain that mixture right into our cocktail glass. Perfect amount right here. Just enough chocolate sauce lining the cocktail glass. That looks really good right there. And to garnish here, I got some good dark chocolate. I'm just going to grate some of this right over the top. A little more here. And I think finally just a touch more of that homemade chocolate sauce. And just like that, you got a great tasting mudslide cocktail. Definitely one of my favorite drinks to make. Give this a shot. It'll be one of your favorite drinks to make as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I put out new videos each and every week. Go ahead and hit that like button. As always, I really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.